Yeah.
What if in the example serial and unreal, like serial. So in the word serial, REAL is not base.
That's right.
Not,
Not.
yeah. So.
So what's the whole base of cereal? I just told you. Cereal's a base in its own. I think it is. I never looked it up. Did you ever look up cereal, Megan?
No, but so I guess if we think that REAL is the base of cereal, that would mean that CE would be a prefix, right? That's what we would be thinking.
And real means what?
Something that exists.
Mhm.
That
Yeah.
Does cereal exist? It does, right? Anyway, well, I would just check it. I would check it. The worst is we're going to go into Edam and see. Now I really do want to see. I really am.
All right. Unless you're eating your imaginary cereal. All right, cereal is a noun.
Okay.
And meaning a grass yielding edible grain and cultivated for food.
So it means edible grain. Look what it comes from. K-E-R, to grow. That makes sense if it comes from a green, right? So
To
click
grow.
on, when she clicks on this, if real is there, then it's related.
Rekha, what's your guess? Is cereal related to real?
No, I don't think so.
No? All right. Let's find out. So Proto-Indo-European root meaning horn or head, with derivatives referring to horned animals, horn-shaped objects, and projecting parts. It forms all or part of, right, all of these.
So rhinoceros has horn, right? Cornucopia is a horn. How about migraine? Wow.
Yeah, they say here like cranium, like it's like calcium, magnesium. I mean, it's like a family of food, you know. It's like a dividing food.
Yeah.
Like here.
And which one is that, Katya?
It's like in the third line, cranium. I don't know how to say it.
Oh, cranium, yeah, cranium. The skull of a human being.
Horn head. Horn and head, they're two separate.
Oh, horn head.
That's what happens when you don't pay attention to punctuation.
Strictly the brain box, the bony case which encloses the brain. Reindeer.
Yeah. Rhinoceros, we said that. Yeah. And deer.
Any others?
How about carrot? Isn't that interesting? Like
Carrot.
Yeah, that's like gold carrot, right? And both the other carrot. Oh, you went to that carrot. That's fine too. There's.
Oh wait, which one were you saying?
Homophones there. Homophones.
Wait, which carrot were you talking?
Potato. Carat, like diamond carat, like 4 carats, ring, diamond ring. Yeah.
That's what I was.
The wrong carrot. Okay, I was thinking the vegetable. Like, how is that related?
I was wondering the carrot, this carrot.
Which one, Rekha? This carrot or the other carrot?
Yeah, this carrot. Why you were typing? And I was wondering, oh, why is it the same root?
Yeah, I guess because it's shaped like a horn. Is that what it is?
Thinking it's shaped like a
Or
horn.
head.
A horn head.
Right, a horn is like a triangle, right? And a carrot's like a long, skinny triangle.
Probably like horn. I don't know, maybe why they relate it.
Yeah. So you wanted me to click on this carrot.
That's the one I was curious about.
Triangle.
Yeah, of course.
This has a pretty long history, doesn't it? Oh,
Yeah.
And carrot.
Little horn.
So wait, it goes back to Arabic, fruit of the carob tree.
Wow.
Carob?
Did you ever see carobs?
Fruit of the carob tree. You say Arabic?
Yeah, it says Arabic, right? This word in Arabic,
Fruit.
Q-I-R-A-T.
Kirab. I think so.
Kira.
Kirab. I never heard it. I mean, kirab. No, I never heard. Maybe it's old. Old. Let me see. This.
Carob tree.
Oh, guess what? I just Googled it.
Cheater, cheater.
No, well, 'cause it's almost shaped a little like a carrot. It's
What is it?
Bean. It's a bean. But
What did you
inside-
search, carabine?
Yeah. Can I share?
Yeah.
Let's see if I can share.
I'm gonna stop my share. Go ahead.
Because did you ever see the little Hershey morsels? That look
Hershey mussels?
Like, yeah, you know the chocolate chips and chocolate.
Chocolate.
cookies?
Yeah, I was wondering what is it?
Yeah, so that's what carobs look like. Hang on, which is what? Hang on.
Carob raisins?
Oh,
I'm trying to make it larger, and I got too many.
We don't have it in our country. This kind of tree. It's like
No,
no.
What happened?
you stopped sharing.
I did. Hang on. Sorry. Oh, and then I lost it.
So is the carob shaped like a carrot, like the vegetable?
No,
carrot?
yeah. Here, let me. I'm gonna do it again. Sorry.
It has the same form like the carrot, but I mean,
More like beans, not like carrot.
I'm not as good as Megan is with. All right, I'm trying to find images. All right, and now I'm gonna share. Oh, am I sharing?
You're sharing. Can you make it bigger?
Yeah, there we go. All right, so this is how that grows on the plant. So see these, and then you rip these open. See the beans in them?
Mm-hmm.
is that a chocolate chip?
See these here? These are them. These are, don't they look like chocolate chips?
yeah.
These are carobs, and they taste
Oh.
just as good as chocolate chips.
I thought that was a chocolate chip when I looked at it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, a lot of times carob is supposedly more natural because it doesn't have as many preservatives in it.
I thought that was a snake in the tree that looked like.
I know. Who would think they were going to eat that, right? Now, is that
After snake, after mentioning snake, no. No way.
do they look like horns or
Well,
carrots?
they look like dried eggplant.
Yeah.
No.
Beans, green beans.
All right. So
Just the
that's our
color
veg.
is different.
So do you want me to go back for a second?
Yeah, sorry. This is my problem. I go down, I'm like Alice, I go down the hole, the black hole.
So that's interesting, carob. So it was Middle French and then it was Italian, right? Medieval Latin, both from Arabic, fruit of the carob tree. Also weight of 4 grains. From Greek,
Oh, carat is a weight. You have
Oh.
13 karat gold.
Yeah.
right.
Yeah.
That's the quality, I guess.
Yeah.
Also the name of a small weight of measure, literally little horn. Diminutive of caris, horn of an animal. Interesting.
I don't know why they use it to measure, like they say, like 14 carat or 15 carat. I don't know why they use it to measure. I don't know why. Carat. It's really
Why they use it to measure.
Small weight.
Yeah.
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 Even though gold has nothing to do with
Carrot.
cereal got us here. I'm thinking, how did we get here? Cereal.